We've all been there. That moment when fear grips you, your heart pounds, your palms sweat, your mind races. But what if I told you that you have a 3-second window to conquer that fear? It's true. Our brains are wired with a fight or flight response. When danger appears, our bodies flood with adrenaline, giving us a burst of energy to either confront the threat or run away. This response is hardwired into our biology. It's designed to protect us. The key is to recognize this 3-second window. It's that split second when your brain screams danger, but before fear paralyzes you. In these 3 seconds you have a choice. Succumb to the fear or take action. Choosing action is the first step toward conquering your fears and unlocking your full potential. It's about reclaiming your power. Fear, if left unchecked, can have a powerful hold on our lives. It can keep us from going after our dreams. It can sabotage our relationships, and it can prevent us from experiencing the fullness of life. Fear whispers doubts in our ears, telling us we're not good enough, smart enough, or brave enough. It tells us to play it safe, to stay small, to avoid risks. But here's the thing, fear is a liar. It thrives on our insecurities and magnifies them. Whether it's the fear of failure, the fear of rejection, or the fear of public speaking, these fears share a common thread. They hold us back from growth and prevent us from becoming the best versions of ourselves. The impact of fear extends beyond our actions. It can chip away at our self-esteem, making us doubt our abilities and worth. Over time, this can lead to anxiety, stress, and even depression. The good news is that fear doesn't have to control us. There are practical techniques we can use to manage and overcome our fears. One of the simplest yet most effective techniques is deep breathing. When fear takes hold, our breath becomes shallow and rapid. By consciously slowing down our breathing, we can calm our nervous system and regain control. Another powerful tool is positive self-talk. Instead of listening to the negative voice of fear, we can counter it with affirmations and encouraging words. Remind yourself of your strengths, past successes, and the support you have around you. Visualization is another effective technique. Close your eyes and vividly imagine yourself facing your fear and succeeding. This mental rehearsal can help build your confidence and prepare you for the real-life situation. The key to conquering fear is action, and it all starts with those crucial 3 seconds. When fear strikes, take a deep breath, bring yourself into the present moment, and take action. It doesn't have to be a big, dramatic action. It could be as simple as raising your hand in class, introducing yourself to someone new, or applying for that dream job. The more we face our fears, the weaker they become. Remember, courage isn't the absence of fear, it's acting in spite of it. So the next time fear rears its ugly head, remember those 3 seconds. Take a deep breath, focus on the present, and take that first step. You are stronger than you think, and you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Don't let fear hold you back any longer. Take that first step today and embrace the incredible journey of growth and freedom that awaits you. And remember to subscribe to Daily Timeless Truths, wisdom you can use every day.